Hi guys, we are on week 2 of working from home. I need you to click on the biology. When you look on here, it'll have week 1 and it'll also have weeks 2 and 3. So if you click on evolution, that is this week's work. Chapter 16 is what we are going to discuss this week. We are at the start of fourth quarter. Fourth quarter is evolution and ecology. So for this week, we are doing chapter 16. You'll click on that. There is assignments on here. You need to start right here where it says start here. So it says you are to copy all notes in this PowerPoint. There are recorded audio versions and a non-recorded version of the PowerPoint. Watch the first video and then evolution video 2. So you have to watch the first video and then the second video because the PowerPoint wouldn't record all at once in one video. Only watch the video if you want things explained and the PowerPoint read. There are places to stop throughout the PowerPoint for you to complete other work. And there will be a stop sign in the assignment title that you are to complete. Some assignments will take a little longer than others. And there will be 3 this week for you to complete. So each week there will be at least 3 assignments for you to complete. So this is the little character that you'll see when there is an assignment on a PowerPoint. This is without audio down here, and then this is the first video and the second video. They might be in a different order for you. This is what I can see on my screen. So on the first one, the first assignment, everything's labeled. What to do first, what to do second, and what to do third. So the first assignment is Charles Darwin reading. Please follow the instructions as you have to go to this website. You enter this class code. This is your password. You can change your password after you have logged in. You need to read the famous scientist Charles Darwin story. Then you need to complete the multiple choice questions. There is a short answer on there. You need to complete that also, and make sure you submit it. I can see when you're completed, so definitely make sure that you either let me know if I haven't put the score in. So the other assignments, so that is the first assignment. The second assignment that you need to complete is down here. So you need to answer this question. This is what would happen if babies are born faster than people were dying. So you're going to answer the question. You're going to put your response right here. It'll show up down here. And then another student should answer the question also. So as other students are answering the question, you need to respond to at least one of them. If there is not a student that has posted, then I will respond to your discussion question. For your last assignment, this is your biggest assignment. It's a writing assignment. So you are going to click on the natural selection writing assignment. When you click on that, it gives you a rubric. So this is everything that needs to be in this writing assignment. It is worth 50 points. Okay? So it'll tell you everything that needs to be in it. It is about natural selection. It's explained in the PowerPoint. It's explained in videos. So if you click down here, there are videos that explains what natural selection is. Please watch those before you write, that we have a clear understanding. And then make sure that you submit everything to me, either through Schoology or through your Gmail account. Make sure you're using your school email. That way it does not go to my spam. I hope you are staying home, staying healthy. Have a nice day.